Everything in this list is directed towards answering the question, what can I eat? What can I ingest by way of food and or food supplement that can support brain function in the short term and in the long term? So I hope you find that list beneficial for you, if not for use, at least for consideration. So now, having talked about some of the foods and micronutrients that are beneficial to our immediate and long-term brain health, I'd like to shift gears somewhat and talk about why it is that we like the foods that we like. We've all heard before that we are hardwired to pursue sugar and to like fatty foods, and that calorie-rich foods are attractive to us for all sorts of reasons, surviving famines and things of that sort. And while that is true, the actual mechanisms that underlie food seeking and food preference are far more interesting than that. There are basically 3 channels in our body and nervous system by which we decide what foods to pursue, how much to eat, and whether or not we will find a particular food attractive, whether or not we will want to consume more of it, whether or not we want to avoid it, or whether or not it's just sort of so-so, what I refer to as the yum, yuck, or meh analysis. And indeed, that's what our nervous system is doing with respect to food. So let's talk about what these 3 channels for food preference are.